So let's go look at mine.
All right, let's check them out.
Okay. So try and guess what they are.
Dude, yours are so much better than mine.
Okay, so which one is that?
Come on, look at these. That's the laughing till you cry.
Yeah.
That's the winking with the tongue hanging out.
Yes.
That is the crying emoji.
Yeah.
Dude, see, I like the blue. That's the one with the hearts for the eyes.
Yeah.
And they're so much better than mine.
No,
The color's better, like there's shadows, kind of looks like.
the shadows.
I don't know, it looks like there's shadows around this one or something.
Okay, so I'm going to do one last
Look
pan
at it.
around of mine. We're going to have to go on the inside for mine.
How many did you build? 5?
4.
4.
So those are mine. And these are his double-sided emojis.
Mine are freaking awesome.
They are. They're beautiful.
Because it's double-sided.
Though that is really cool. All right, so
I need like points just for like innovation and ingenuity.
Right? Okay, so let's go do the outro right here.
Where you at?
In the heart. Oh.
Get you some of that. What's going on around here?
So that is all we have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you voted in the poll whose build you liked better. Stay tuned for next month where I will be going against Kira. And make sure you leave a comment what you want to see us build. And if you're lucky...
Vote for some cabbage.
If you're lucky, we might...
Vote for some cabbage.
If you're lucky, we might choose to build what you suggested. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed. I will be posting every Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. And
Vote for some cabbage.
yeah, as always, my name is Cutie Kitty, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye!
Some cabbage out.